Chapter 1: The Birth of Harmony. In a land of rolling hills and fertile valleys, there existed a village named Harmony Valley. This village was unlike any other, for it was blessed with an abundance of peace and tranquility. The people of Harmony Valley lived in harmony with nature and each other, their hearts filled with kindness and compassion. At the heart of Harmony Valley stood a grand castle, home to King Alden, a ruler whose wisdom and kindness were renowned throughout the land. King Alden was not just a king, he was a father figure to his people, guiding them with a gentle hand and a compassionate heart. Every morning, the villagers of Harmony Valley would wake up to the sound of birds singing and the gentle rustling of leaves. They would gather in the town square, their faces beaming with smiles, grateful for the harmony that surrounded them. Chapter 2: The Threat of Darkness. One day, dark clouds gathered on the horizon as rumors spread of an impending attack by a neighboring kingdom. Fear gripped the hearts of the villagers, but King Alden remained steadfast in his belief in peace. Gathering his advisors, he declared, "We shall not succumb to fear or violence. Let us seek a path of diplomacy and understanding." With courage in his heart, King Alden set out to meet with the ruler of the neighboring kingdom. Along the way, he encountered challenges and obstacles, but his determination never wavered. Finally, he arrived at the gates of the neighboring kingdom and was met with skepticism and hostility. Undeterred, King Alden spoke of the importance of friendship and cooperation, urging the other ruler to consider the consequences of war. To the amazement of all, the other ruler listened. Touched by King Alden's words, he too yearned for peace. And so, beneath the branches of an ancient oak tree, the two rulers forged an alliance that would bring an end to the threat of war.